Hey guys, welcome to another VA Agency Review series. This is the third one. No, yung pinakauna ang aking review ay yung Magic, pangalawa is Go-To. This time, we're gonna talk about outsourcing agent. Nakita ko to sa comment section. Nung nagtanong ako kung ano ang gusto niyo i-review ko na VA agency. I'm Jam. I'm the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant and Barangay VA Community. And let's get started. So dito, looking at their website, very professional mga me. It's giving professional, but there's just so many things on it. Nakakalito lang siya. But anyways, that's okay. Dito, I heard and I saw that with outsourcing agents, ito ay isang outsourcing company based in Australia. So if you guys are looking for Australian clients, kasi alam kong marami sa inyo naghahanap nun kasi gusto nila ng morning shift which usually starts at like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. and ends in the afternoon, then Australian clients are for you. Let's learn more about them. Oh my gosh, natuwa ako kasi naghahanap ako ng mga VA agencies para sa mga VAs na gusto ng morning shift. And this is what I found. Thank you sa recommend nito. I forgot the name but I'll get back to you. But thank you. Now, ang maganda dito kay kay outsourcing angel is that parang they give back to the community. Meron silang um like this, meron silang giving back to those who are in need. So meron silang mga pagantong activities kaya nakakatuwa, tumutulong sila. And I want to talk about their core values, no? Importante na bago ka nag-a-apply, tinitingnan mo din ang core values ng ating ina-applyan, no? Like for example, sa kanila, they have four: innovation, challenge today or a better tomorrow, care, striving for excellence, and empathy. So parang ano siya, like people first, courage, embracing discomfort for growth, and integrity. Our word is our bond. Taray, no? Meron silang mga core values, which is plus points for me, honestly. Yung term na hinahanap ko, meron silang charity work. So they don't just enjoy the money, but they have charity work as well. Ayan no, meron silang charity work. So you're not just working, you're also giving back to these people, which is giving, no? Which is giving. I love it. I love it. I am all for this. So, let's talk about like, types of VAs na hinahire nila. They have admin, copywriting, customer service, digital marketing, e-commerce, email marketing, graphic designing, lead generation, LinkedIn, project manager, sales, and social media. So, madami-dami ito. Um, let's see nga this one. May nakita ko kanina parang they feature their VAs. Ayan no, they feature their VAs. So I don't know if this is everybody, but they actually feature their VAs sa website. And if you check their profile, ayan no, nandito yung details ng profile nila, ano yung mga key skills, ano yung mga kaya nilang gawin, okay, di ba? Ano yung mga tools na nagagamit nila, client testimonial. So, maganda kasi binebenta ka sa client. Binebenta ka sa client. May work samples and all. See? Sobrang ganda. So, I like this. Kung ako yung nasa website na ito, like my profile is here, mas may bigger chance talaga na manotice ako ng isang client. So, let me check like nasaan dito yung pinaka baka nandito sa VA packages. Alam ko dito yun sa jobs.outsourcing eh. Hinahanap ko guys is yung nakita ko kayo ng job board. Hold on mga mi dahil gusto ko ipakita sa inyo eto job vacancies. Let's see. So dito mo makikita guys kung ano yung mga openings nila. Ayan, so let me go through one by one. Full-time local staffing recruitment assistant to an AU-based company agency. Ayan, Notion admin support VA plus social media management, podcast and YouTube editor plus general admin assistance, marketing assistant plus back-end support VA for business owner who knows a digital marketing agency who owns. Ayan, systems and process automation specialist VA using Make. What's that? So, FAQs lang, how do I apply for a virtual assistant job? So, ayan, lahat daw ng listed dito are the openings. Ayan, dito, ito mga to. So, ibig sabihin, ito pa lang ang mga openings nila now. Sabi dito, how do they check if about the progress of their application. So once your application is successful, you'll be contacted now by the team members. If we don't receive any response, no, ayan, by any of our team members may not been selected for the role you've applied. But our team will save your application to assess for future job opportunities. Ibig sabihin, pag na-apply ka at pasado ka, nasa pool ka ng profile, pool ng people pala. Nasa pool ka ng mga aspiring VAs for outsourcing angels. And pag may client matching at nag-match kayo ng profile mo, then they will contact you for that interview. Sabi dito, do I need VA experience to apply for a job? It depends on the requirements specified for our clients. There are many roles that require specific industry experience, while others may require resourceful and adaptable VA that can be trained for the role. So, hindi sila specifically for experienced VAs only. They accept entry-level VAs, beginners, no? And they train for that just in case. So, maganda, no? Maganda 'yan. The requirements that are listed. Okay. Let's try to see like one job opening. Let's try this one. Podcast and YouTube editor. Let's see that. Read more. So makita mo dito, job code, role overview, no? Client's business overview, work hours, I know, 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Sydney or 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tawag dito, Philippine time. So naka-specify naman dyan, no? At least ito me, hindi siya masyadong late like us na, alam mo yon, recruitment period nandito na rin. But ayan. So, part-time at first with chance to do more, hence the chance to be needed more hours. Okay. Andito din yung mga tools na dapat kaya mong gamitin. Sabi dito, training provided on unfamiliar software. So, it doesn't mean that you need to know everything here. So ano yung mga main responsibilities mo? So andito yan, 'di ba? Oh, important information, pack. Secondary role, walang nakalagay. But here are some of the tasks as well. Pack, 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 no? Tech requirements nandito na rin. Okay. Make sure you attach and submit the following for our V application form. Link to the intro video. May intro video sila. Updated resume, profile image, and link to portfolio. So, there. Ito yung mga benefits nila. Free job hunting and placements. No commissions or fees. Alright. Above, ibig sabihin nito, wala na silang tatanggalin sa rate mo. Above industry salary package. Oh. Pero hindi naka-disclose guys doon sa job opening kung magkano. Okay. One on-time pay, important yan. Weekends off, no? Flexible work. Flexible work shifts my day, my night available. Depende. Lahat to guys depende sa kliyente, no? Merong HMO prepaid coverage after 6 months. May VA training and support, may incentives and bonuses, may team bonding activities. Nakita ko yun monthly daw. Meron silang online and face-to-face team bonding ng mga VAs. And annual company team retreats. Oh, di ba? Ito po ang kanilang recruitment step. Okay? First is initial contact, no? And then initial screening or first interview. and then panel interview, and then client interview coaching. Kasi, ibig sabihin yan, bago ka isa lang sa client interview, which is number 5, iko-coach ka muna kung paano mo aatakihin yung interview mo with your client, which is absolutely nice, no? And lastly, get hired. So, ito yung mga activities na meron sila, guys. O, di ba? You like it? O, tingnan natin yung iba. Pak! 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 O, di ba? Pak! I love it. It's giving. Di ba? Pwede kang ano dito, part-time, me. Pwede ka pa nagpa-part-time. Ayan po ang sample. Let's see nga kung ano pa yung mga ibang openings nila, no? Let's see this one, marketing assistant, back-end support for VA business. Ayan no, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. at the earliest Australian shift, 8 hours daily or 40 hours per week. Ito full-time job naman siya. 'Di ba? Let's try to submit an application. I'm not gonna submit. I'll just show you the application form. So, I know, job post title, full name, email address, Skype ID, personal phone, alternative number, Facebook ID, LinkedIn ID, landline number, what do you call this? Address, marital status, your sex, date of birth, education, attainment. So hindi naman ano hindi naman kailangan graduate ka dito. So laki dito required if graduated or undergraduate. Cover letter. Okay, are you currently connected with other companies? Ilalagay mo na dyan. What time of the day are you available to work? Ay, nakalagay dyan. Nandito lahat. Availability, maximum, AUD per month pala, hindi sila USD. Ayan, syempre, Australian-based, ano siya, outsourcing, agency yan. Other tools, software, so dito mo ilalagay, skills, ayan, skill tagging, your profile, andito, or photo, ayan, resume or CV, work sample, portfolios, intro video here, computer specs and internet speed here. Are you referred by an outsourcing angel? If yes, provide the name of the VA. Meron silang referral program pala. Where did you hear about us? Ayan, Facebook. um, Eto, character reference, comments, suggestions, and questions, and would you be open to working on a weekend? And then submit. So, para sa akin, katamtaman lang ang haba nitong form na to. No, wala sila masyadong mga skill tests, yung mga IQ tests, English test, I don't know, but maybe part na yun ng screening process nila. So, yon. Yan ang kanilang application form. 'Di ba? So, yeah, outsourcing angel. It looks promising, no? So if you guys are looking for like a VA agency for Australian-based clients and very flexible, hindi importanteng may VA experience ka with good benefits and at the same time you're giving back to our community sa charity plus above average rate according to them, then you may want to join or check out Outsourcing Angel. That's it for me for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood up to the end. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If it did, I'll make some more. Just click that notification bell and hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment below kung ano pa ang mga VA agencies na gusto nyo i-review ko para sa inyo. That's it. Thank you and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!